Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Linda and I do post about fashion, so if you're into that sort of thing, please do consider subscribing so we could be friends. Now, today's video is about the Louis Vuitton hot stamping that they do for, you can do it for like luggage tags, and mine specifically is for the passport case because, so back in the day you could only do like one stamp or something. Now they let you do however many you want, so it's kind of really cool actually that you can go visit somewhere and then check if they have a hot stamp. It's a free service anyway. So that being said, I made this video in Arizona where I got my first stamp and I was so excited about it. And then I just got back from New Orleans as they're like prepping up for Mardi Gras. It was such a fun trip, and what a coincidence, on my last video that I posted, the one with the hot stamping, somebody actually wrote me. So if you're watching, thank you, because she had mentioned that they have one in Louisiana, the Fleur-de-Lis, and I'm so glad she said that because I went and I kind of already had forgotten, like, you know, wherever I'm traveling I should go try to get the hot stamp. I did just try in Japan and they're currently not doing it. I asked in Tokyo, I asked in Kyoto, I went to 2 different ones in Tokyo, then I even tried at the airport because they told me maybe the airport's still doing it. So at the moment, for some reason, they're not. I was so bummed because that would have been epic to have like the Japanese hot stamp on it. But anyway, back to the one for today. It just arrived. So since this is a service that they provide, and obviously if you're traveling, maybe you won't be able to come pick it up because it's not always immediate. So like when I did it in Arizona, I picked it up I think either later that day or the next day. Whereas in Louisiana, they told me that they usually do it on Sundays at that store, which is the closest one to my Airbnb. And so the guy was like, obviously, you know, that's a few days away and then you're leaving back to Florida. So he was like, would you like me to just mail it to you? Which is something they've always offered. Like, I've just had another thing and I love it. Again, it's completely free. So he took the passports and stamped them and I just got them. Literally, the mailman was just here. I was just waiting. And so here's the box. Make sure, yeah, okay. I was making sure I showed the side without my address. And oh, okay, so I'm doing kind of like an unboxing. So it's so cool, like the actual box itself, like once you open it, is Louis, and they make you sign for it though, so which is good, you know, smart. And wow, it's so cute. So the one that I had just mailed back to me from Arizona, wow, he even put like the nicest shopper bags. It was from the Christmas collection. I have it like somewhere readily. I thought it was readily available. It's not. So anyway, let's go look at this one. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, so here's the 2. I'll show you the first one that's not mine. Pretty cool. You get to pick the color and where to put it. Okay. And then there's mine. Yay. So you guys had already seen that I did the Pisces. Is it? There, you can see it. So I had gotten my little Pisces here. And then I was thinking of doing my initials somewhere, maybe a heart, I don't know. But for now I just stuck with that on that side. And I decided that this side is going to be all the travel. So since I only have 2, for now what I decided is I'm going to go this way. Because you can put it wherever. So like I thought about whether I should go this way or however, but no, I'm going to just start filling them up as much as I can. So there's Arizona and here's Louisiana. Is that not adorable? Like, look how cute that is. I love it. So what they did tell me is that since mine is empreinte, it's not the easiest to stamp. It's kind of like grainy and you can kind of see like it, you could tell it's like a little bit of a struggle. So they do the best they can, but at least they warned me and I was like, I really don't care. Like at least just, you know, just to have something. And so I chose gold and I've decided I'm going to mostly stick to that, but I'm sure there's going to be a stamp that I might choose a different color. Like for example, I could have done the cactus in like a green or something just to like be different and like I don't know, but I think for now I'm gonna stick with gold. And then I have a trip coming up in a few days, but I already checked, they don't have a hot stamp there. Then I have another trip another week, but also no hot stamp. So I'm pretty much just gonna go on Google and see who does the hot stamping. Sadly, I didn't do this in Hawaii because I didn't have this passport case yet, but I did do it on luggage tag, and that was really cute. They have the little flower for Hawaii there. So okay, that wraps up today's video. As soon as I get another stamp, I will be making another video. Thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll catch you all for the next video. Bye!